is amazing. So there are more and more Western sizes available in Bangkok, but if you have something specific in mind, then it can be quite difficult to find the perfect clothes for you, which is why I love Shein. Now, before we get started, guys, I think it's probably very obvious by my subscriber number, this is not sponsored at all, but I absolutely love Shein. Shein is amazing. I used to live in China and it was so difficult to find Western clothes there. Shein makes life so much easier for me. I do appreciate it. I sound like a walking advert. I don't care. I just love it. So let me show you. So they have a curve section, and in that you have like Christmas clothing and even houseware. So let's get shopping. But first, let's go get coffee. So just a few things to add to this, by the way, is that Shein has sales all the time, which is great. They also have free delivery if you spend over a certain amount, and it's like in Thailand it's like 299 baht, like silly. And generally speaking, things tend to arrive between like a week and 10 days. It is fantastic. This is the type of website, well, this is definitely the website. This is all my work clothes are from here. So this is where I get all of the clothes that I need for work. If I have anything, like for example, weirdest rule, for visa photos here, our school asked us to have a white shirt. Didn't know where to get a white shirt in my size from, so Shein was the answer. But I love the fact they have like these really lovely dresses that are perfect for the end of the year. Right, now let's get shopping. I'm done. Now it's time to wait for this stuff to arrive. Right, Shein stuff has arrived. Let's see what we've got. Oh, Christmassy bow. A little bit over the top, I know. Some bling bling. Christmas sweetie bags. Perfect for my kids. I couldn't resist, guys. We have some of these. They are for the dining room table to put knives and forks in. This is amazing. And a little note for Shein, their pajamas are so comfortable, like especially if you live in a hotter country most of the year. I love long trousered pajamas, and it's really difficult to wear them here because it's so hot, but their trousers are so comfortable, but they're also really breathable, so you don't get too hot in them. So definitely recommend. Look how cute this is. It's so tacky, but I love it so much. More clips to wear throughout the month of December. Ready for Christmas? I think I may have got too much.